Hello, fellow pickleball players. In today's video, I've sifted through over 100 verified buyer reviews to reveal my 3 best pickleball paddles on Amazon. Stay tuned for expert insights. And remember, check the description for links to today's best prices on these top-performing paddles. Let's jump right in. Aieoposo Pickleball Paddle. The Aieoposo Graphite Pickleball Paddle is a popular choice among pickleball players, especially for beginners and those looking for an affordable yet quality paddle. The majority of verified buyers have praised its performance and features. Buyers appreciate the lightweight design of the paddle, making it easy to handle and reducing fatigue during play. Many found the grip comfortable, providing a secure hold, even in sweaty conditions. The paddle's well-balanced feel and good response have been highlighted as beneficial for players of various skill levels. Additionally, the paddle's construction, featuring a graphite carbon fiber surface and honeycomb polypropylene core, received positive feedback. The edge guard adds to its durability and safety during intense gameplay. The included paddle cover and wristbands have been considered valuable additions, helping protect the paddle and enhancing player comfort. While the design may be a matter of personal preference, the majority found it appealing and unique. In summary, this Aieoposo pickleball paddle offers a cost-effective option for those looking to enjoy the sport, and its quality and features have left many buyers satisfied with their purchase. Rally PXL Graphite Pickleball Paddle. The majority of verified buyers are highly satisfied with this pickleball paddle. They praise its weight, material, balance, and affordability, finding it ideal for both beginners and more experienced players. Many customers appreciate the exceptional customer service, citing swift responses and support in warranty claims. Some reviewers mention receiving a different color paddle than ordered, which was disappointing, but they acknowledge that color doesn't affect performance. Others highlight the longer paddle's advantages, allowing them to reach more balls effectively. For newcomers to pickleball, the paddle is hailed as a great choice due to its grip, size, and value for money. Customers commend the manufacturer's dedication to resolving issues promptly and praise the paddle's balance of spin, power, and control. However, a few dissatisfied buyers mention issues such as a broken handle and dissatisfaction with the paddle's balance and grip size. Nevertheless, the product seems to receive more positive feedback than negative, making it a popular choice among pickleball enthusiasts. ONIX Graphite Z5 Graphite. The product in question, the ONIX Z5 pickleball paddle, has garnered a wide range of opinions from verified buyers. Many beginners found it to be a suitable choice, appreciating its lightweight build and larger sweet spot, which enhanced their gameplay. Some even regarded it as an excellent entry-level option. However, several reviews pointed out issues with the handle, citing its tendency to deteriorate rapidly, and the grip coming apart prematurely, indicating potential quality control problems. Despite its popularity among beginners, more experienced players and those transitioning from tennis seem to have mixed feelings. While some appreciated the textured surface for added spin and ease of transition, others felt that it lacked power and had a relatively small sweet spot. A few mentioned experiencing issues with durability, such as dead spots developing on the paddle or even structural defects leading to rattling. There were also reports of buyers being dissatisfied with the paddle's weight, with some finding it too heavy, while others considered it too light. The paddle's ability to produce a satisfying pop upon impact was frequently mentioned in positive reviews. However, the variation in weight, grip comfort, and the risk of issues with the handle were key factors that led to divided opinions among purchasers. Thanks for watching my video on the top pickleball paddles on Amazon. If you want to check out more details and make a purchase, don't forget to click the product links in the video description below. Happy gaming!